Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Lifeaholic and it's me, Adele. Hi plant-natics. We're going to do unboxing today and it's from my friend Myra from Myra Murison channel here on YouTube, and she gave me a gift. Look at it guys. That is so huge. See? It's almost my size. I just hope you can hear me. And now, since it's a plant, so we need to open it. Okay, thank you Myra. Please guys, if you're not yet following or subscribed to Myra, please subscribe to her channel, Myra Murison, and on Instagram it's jimya-garden. I'll just put it down in the description and also on the screen. So let's check it out guys. Myra, thank you so much. Look at it, it's so huge. Okay, how do you open this? Because it's bigger than me, I can't even see where to open it. I'm so excited. Okay, I can't see what's the plant because it's way at the bottom. And it's really way at the bottom guys. So I have to get the plant. But thank you Myra, and I'm really surprised. Okay guys, here it is. Take that off. And we have a root. Thank you for your purchase. So that's the one. I don't know if you guys can see. And there's another one. And it says, "Hi Adele, I hope you really love this plant. You did say something regarding this plant. This one is also philodendron. Hope. But I hope you like it because it is right up your alley. Love, Myra." And she also sent me a message saying that congratulations for, I think, because I reached 300 on YouTube. Thank you Myra. She's really sweet and kind and thoughtful. So guys, please follow her, Myra from Myra Murison here on YouTube, okay? And now let's check it out. Oops, it's so packing peanuts. Packing peanuts. So let's do this. Oh, I can't do like, people are doing that online or on Instagram. Ta-da! Ooh! Thank you so much, Myra. Yes, it's a philodendron. Hope. Thank you. It's so pretty and so big. Thank you so much, Myra. Look. What's that? I love the leaves. Really, when you're really tired, that doesn't have any sleep. Look at the leaves. The leaves. The leaves. Thank you, Myra. Thank you so much. It's another philodendron in my collection. Thank you, Myra. Thank you. I love you, ganda. It's so pretty. Thank you for being thoughtful, and thank you for being a sweet friend, and thank you for always being there. Thank you. And guys, please watch Myra's videos. Please follow her on Instagram and YouTube, and I will link her details below. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you like philodendrons also. And thank you, Myra. Thank you so much, girl. Thank you. Bye.